Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, I'm gonna cook some curry chicken back. See the chicken back here guys, yeah. Some curry chicken back and cornmeal dumpling and banana. Your overs. Guys, now my curry chicken back I'm gonna put some macaroni. You don't know the badness, Jamaican style, the overs. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up the chicken back, season him up, because no see what I go on guys. Guys, me already need up my flour already, so no can see what I go on over here, so guys. You understand me, I did, yeah. So I'm gonna do my light up the stove now, and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so my pot a boil up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop in my flour them. My flour over here, so. My banana guys. I put in my banana first. You understand me? Because I go boil the banana in the skin. So I go put in my banana first, then I throw in the flour guys. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, over here so yeah my chicken back. Guys, so my chicken back clean and pretty. Yeah, some curry chicken back guys. Cornmeal dumpling and banana. The overs. We have a plantain. We have a plantain guys. I go boil half of it, said speed. You understand me? I did it well ripe. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil half of it, guys. I'll be about this in the kitchen, guys. I soon come back. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna chew in my flour in the pot now. Over, I put in my banana already. Yeah, guys. So I go on. So I'm gonna chew in my flour. I'm gonna so I go on in the kitchen. Over. Soon come back, guys. Guys, watch your badness in the pot. I already cut up my ground season already, guys. Just don't know the badness come. So my ground season them. Yeah. Guys, watch your badness in the flour pot. Be a badness, guys. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look here. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so look what I go on in the pot so. The flour and the banana and the plantain done cook. So, guys, my chicken back up on fire, same way. The overs. Yeah, guys, so be a badness in the kitchen, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so that's what I go on in the chicken back pot. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness. As I say, I'm going to put some macaroni in my chicken back. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. The battery low up on my phone, guys, so light now, come on. I go turn the ring light. Turn the ring light over here, so guys. I'll be about the sniper though, guys. Guys, pot can't come off now, but I'm making macaroni then go and cook. You understand me? I did? Yeah. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a curry chicken back, cornmeal dumpling, the banana and plantain, guys. Ripe plantain, green banana. Don't know the badness, guys. Guys, I'm out. See you in our next video, guys. And remember, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop, guys. You have it, guys. I'm out.